Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today's Linux challenge is all about security and permissions, restricting cron access. The goal is to control exactly who can and who cannot schedule automated jobs on our server. Specifically, we need to allow the user Kirsty to use cron, but deny access to the user Garrett. Step 1, as always, is to SSH into our target server, which is app server 1. Once in, we immediately switch to the root user using sudo -i because we will be editing sensitive system files. Before making changes, let's verify that the cron service is active and running. If it's not running, our changes won't matter. The output confirms the service is active running. Perfect, we can proceed with the configuration. First, let's grant access to the authorized user, Kirsty. We use a text editor, vi, to open the cron.allow file. Inside this file, we simply add the username Kirsty on its own line. By creating this cron.allow file, only the users listed here will be able to use cron, inherently denying everyone else. Next, we explicitly deny access to Garrett by modifying the deny file. We add the name Garrett to this file, save, and exit. This clearly marks them as restricted. Since we modified the configuration files, it's always safest to check the service status one last time to ensure everything is stable. The status is still running. Our configurations are in place. We have successfully implemented restrictions. With Kirsty allowed and Garrett explicitly denied, the task is complete. Now we can hit the check button. Mastering cron access control is essential for server security. If you found this step-by-step video useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more daily Linux challenge solutions. Thanks for watching.